What package?
Remember the package I ordered? The magic slap band?
There's no such thing, you silly girl.
I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Wow, it's reversible sequins. It's so pretty. And there's a lot of them. Look at this rainbow one. It has sparkles inside of sequins. I better get this open.
It's too silly. I'm gonna be right.
Let's see. So much colors. Ready, set, go.
Whoa. What? You got a 5 surprise? They really do work. My turn. I'll try it myself. Ready, set, go. What? An onion? It's magical, but not in a good way.
So you're saying my precious 5 surprise is not magical? Let me try another one. I'm gonna try this one. Wow, another 5 surprise!
What? She gets another one? That's not fair. Give me this. Really? Eggs? Why do I need eggs? Oh. No, it's my turn. You're probably only taking the magical one. Okay, here goes. Yes! Yes! I got a treasure box. This has to be something good. Let's open it up. What? It's baby stuff.
Baby wipes, baby diapers, bib, a teddy bear, and a sippy cup.
I'm done. Give me this one. You better work.
Just the magical glow.
Okay, it's gotta work. Ready, set, go. Yes! Yes! Finally! I got earbuds. It's a plush monkey. Phew! These are magical.
I'll just share one of my 5 surprises with you.
Thank you. Let's get them open.
Okay, let's get these open. Wow. Oh no, you take this off.
Oh. Awesome.
Watch it pop open.
Whoa. You open yours first.
Let's see what I get. I got a princess. Let's get it dressed up. Bobblehead. If you collect another one, you could exchange the dresses, and then they'll get to have different dresses.
Okay, my turn.
I'm so excited.
Oh, I got a headband.
No, you got fake hair.
Pink and purple.
It has a unicorn on it.
I guess I have to try it. Oh.
Okay, my turn.
My hair.
I got washi tape! I always been wanting this! Washi tape is like tape, but it's decorated. This is the princesses and the mermaids and the watch. This is washi tapes. I got this one. These are breakable erasers. This is the fake hair. Mehdi got this one. And these are really pretty. Okay, your turn.
Okay. Let me move on to the next capsule. Oh, I got glitter tape. And I got my list. Yeah.
I love 5 surprises. My turn.
You got a ring.
I got a cat ring. It fits perfectly on me. And it's glittery.
I got slime. It feels so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn, guys.
You got stickers.
I got 2 stickers. A llama, I think, and a koala. They're glittery.
Okay, my turn. Oh, my hands are all slime. I can't open this.
Let me help.
Oh, I got like a marker. I don't know.
It says 5 surprise on it. It's my turn, guys. I'm gonna open the last pocket. I hope I get something good. I got one of these cute animals. Oh, these.
You got the second one.
This one.
Okay, it's my turn. I got a ring. Oh, it doesn't really fit on my finger.
Let me see.
Try my other finger. Okay.
Oh, it's this one. It's a parrot.
It's a parrot.
Okay, this was really fun surprise opening, but they got us really tired. Mehdi, what are you wearing? I guess he decided to use his other surprises. Wrong.